Hello everyone, I welcome you all to D2R Design Academy. Today we'll be discussing about the latest job notification released by NTPC. As you all know, NTPC stands for National Thermal Power Corporation. It comes under Government of India Enterprise. So the last date for application is 10/6/2021, 10th June 2021. The website is provided over here. I will provide in the description as well. You can check it out from there. So now moving forward, we will discuss about the job details. So first, what is the position being given? So the position is of engineering executive trainee, right? The department is electrical, mechanical, electronics and instrumentation. So the students from these four departments, they can apply for EET post, engineering executive trainee post. What are the essential educational requirements? The candidate should be having at least 65% of marks in their bachelor's program and they should be GATE qualified. GATE qualification is must. So final year students can also apply for this post. Pay scale would be from rupees 40,000 to 1,40,000 plus DNS allowance and other allowances will be provided. Age limit is the candidate's maximum age should be 27 years till the last date of application. And the selection criteria is, first you have to give your details obtained in the GATE. So your GATE marks, on basis of your GATE marks you will be shortlisted, then you will be called for document verification. So now we'll move forward to the details of vacancies. Right, now moving forward to details of vacancies. You can see here vacancies are in the department of electrical there are 98 vacancies, in mechanical there are 123 vacancies, and electronics and instrumentation there are 56 vacancies. But you can see that the unreserved vacancies are 40 in electrical. So these are in detailed description about the vacancies, right? And now about the PWD category, they can have the following two disabilities, either they can be deaf or those are the disabilities they can have. Other thing is the online applications have been started from 21st/5/2021. So from 21st May the applications have been started and the last date of application is 10/6/2021 as already discussed. So you can check out the vacancies post in detail. Now we'll move forward to the official NTPC website. Here you can see the official website. The web address is www.ntpc.co.in. When you reach the web page, home page, here we have a careers tab. When you click over here, then you have to move for the job page. I have already opened it, so I will be moving forward directly. So now here this is the latest advertisement number 5/2021. This is the latest notification which we are going to discuss now, which we are interested in. So click here for advertisement or apply. So now this is the current opening. 21st May 2021 is the date which has started for accepting applications. So for detailed advertisement, when you click over here, this is what it shows. So now what I will do is I will just go through the advertisement a bit again. So they have given a bit introduction about the NTPC, what is it and what is the present work being carried out by them. Next, about the qualification and for what post they are calling. So students from electrical, mechanical, electronics and instrumentation can apply for this post. The qualification required is they should be having bachelor's degree from an AICTE approved college. They can be in the final year or semester even though they can apply, considering the fact that they should be sure that they will score at least 65% of marks in their engineering degree. It is 55 for SC, ST and PWD categories. So now in the GATE we have various fields, right? So for an electrical engineering they can have this prescribed full-time degrees in this different sectors, you can say, right? Now age limit already discussed, 27 is the maximum age. for general category. Selection procedure, they have to give their gate scorecard, gate details. Depending upon them, they will be called for document verification, after which their appointment letter will be released. Now you see here, so these are the electrical engineering degrees which NTPC has given. So their paper code is this: EE, ME, EC and IN, EI, Instrumentation Engineering. So these courses are applicable to apply for the given posts. So these are the vacancies I have already discussed with you. So OS stands for one arm disability, OL stands for one leg disability. Compensation and benefit, I have given you details about the pay scale that are going to be there, and other benefits such as DNS allowances, other prerequisite allowances, terminal benefits, etc. will be there as usual. So the placement will be, the candidate shall undergo 1 year of training at various NTPC plants, after which the final placing of posting will be decided after completion of post training. Candidates can be placed in any projects in all over the India and will be required to work in shift, including night shifts as well. Applications for the post will be considered as a consent of the candidate to work in shift including night. So the candidate who is ready to work in the morning as well as night shift should only apply for it. So they will not ask again that are you ready or not. The application itself says that if you are ready, you can apply for it. So the reservation and relaxations are there for a few SC/ST category candidates, like age relaxation and other details. Okay. So now what we'll do is we will go through the next side of that. So this already completed service agreement. So the selected candidates who belong to general will be required to service executive agreement bond of 5 lakhs and 2.5 lakhs for SC/ST candidates. So before joining, candidates will have to undergo medical examination by NTPC Medical Board, and decision of the board will be final or binding. So everyone should be of good health before applying for it. Next, how to apply? You have to go to the NTPC careers post, and with their gate registration number they have to apply it. So candidates will have to upload their photograph and signature during application, and other required details should be mentioned as per appropriate format. Now candidates belonging to general category are required to pay application fees of 300, and it should be made can be made either in online or offline mode. The candidates from SC/ST category, female candidates or PWD category candidates, they are not required to pay any registration fees, right? So if you are doing a payment by offline mode, you have to go for a DD or other details which are provided in the clause 6. So payment in online is a bit easier. You can just pay with your debit card or net banking or credit card. You will even get the online payment receipt as well. The fee once paid will not be refunded. The candidate should have to attend the exam, right? The candidate should be from Indian nation only, should ensure that he fulfills all the criteria defined in the application, or you can say advertisement. He should have qualified from an Indian university approved by AICTE. So he should provide his email address, and his email address will not be changed in the middle of what we can say recruitment process, right? So in any case, if you have any queries, you can visit the NTPC web address, or else you can. So now this is what the latest application, or you can say advertisement from NTPC was. So now I will just show you the application here. So from here, if you click on proceed to application, you will be redirected to a login page. So here it's asking if I am having all those details, please confirm, then you should move forward. So you should have the scanned copies. Yes, if you are having, you can click on let me know, and you can start your application process. So which department you are, your name, details, everything should be filled over here, and you have to upload it. So while uploading, you have to choose your photograph and signature. They should be scanned, right? Either they can be in JPG format or JPG format, and they should be less than 1 MB. gate number, registration number is required. So these are the details which you have to submit in the NTPC application. So if you have any more questions or doubts, you can type them in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible with the solutions whatever the doubts you have. So till then, I will be coming forward. We'll meet again with a new video on the latest job notifications. Subscribe to the channel, share the video so that your friends can also apply for it and others may benefit from the posting. So till then, stay strong, stay safe. Thank you.